In this video, let us see the various options present in the Draw tab in MS Excel, included in MS Office 2021. Let us open Microsoft Excel and load the spreadsheet we want to work on. Now, click on the Draw tab, which is located in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, in the Draw tab, we will find a variety of drawing tools that can turn our spreadsheet into a canvas. We have got pens, highlighters, erasers, and even a nifty Convert to Shapes feature. Let us take a closer look. The pen and the highlighter are tools for freehand drawing and emphasizing important information. Simply select your tool, choose a color, and start drawing or highlighting directly on your spreadsheet. Now, let us look at the very interesting Convert to Shapes feature. For this, draw something with the pen. Select it and click on Convert to Shapes. Your freehand drawing will transform into editable shapes. This adds a whole new level of versatility to our creations. If we have made a mistake or want to start fresh, the Draw tab has an eraser tool for precise corrections. Ink Replay feature in MS Excel allows us to replay the sequence of our ink strokes. Select the pen tool to draw or annotate on our Excel worksheet. It could be anything from diagrams to graphs or handwritten notes. As we make our strokes, Excel is silently recording each movement, ready for playback. Now, witness the magic. Click on the Ink Replay button and watch as Excel replays our ink strokes in real time. This can be a fantastic way to visualize our thought process during a presentation or to add a dynamic touch to the Excel documents. Now, complete the list of grades. Now, let's draw a mathematical expression using the pen and sketch out an equation. Click on Ink to Math button on the Draw tab. This will open a window. Now, write your mathematical expression. Excel will analyze our drawing, providing suggestions for the recognized mathematical expressions. You can also erase and correct the drawing. Now, click on Insert and Excel will convert the drawing into a formatted math equation. And there you have it! The Draw tab in Excel opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether we want to annotate data, sketch ideas, or just have fun, this feature adds a personal touch to our spreadsheets. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.